welcome back to Cantuti Plans. This is Carmen. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic dashboard happy planner that I use for social media planning for the week of February 20th through February 26th. Today I'm going to be using the Steph's Design Space Purple Orchid Weekly Kit, and so I cannot wait to get started. The kit does include 4 sheets. It has Purple Orchid A, which is functional boxes and planner words plus days of the week and then the numbers to date it. So that's Purple Orchid A. Purple Orchid B has functional boxes in different sizes and different decorative borders. Purple Orchid C has washi tape and torn journaling pieces. And Purple Orchids D is the deco page, which is so pretty with all of the purples and the hummingbirds. Lavender's my favorite color, so I really liked this kit. This kit is currently available at Steph's Design Space. If you would like to purchase this or anything else in the shop, you can use my code Carmen15 for 15% off of your order. And so without further ado, we're gonna get started. I already pre-dated this. You may notice that the dates here don't match the dates here. I'm actually using a planner from 2022 that I am now using as my 2023. So that is why the dates don't match, but it's easy to go ahead and fix that. So I went ahead and did this dating off camera. Let's see, now I don't know if I'm gonna have to white out those spaces or if this will just go through. It looks like this will work just fine, which is great. All right. So how are you guys doing? I am very much excited for the end of February and the beginning of March because that means we are that much closer to springtime. I want to go ahead and see if I can get back out and tend to my lawn and maybe get some flowers growing outside. So I always like it when winter is over and then spring begins. Although I will say that my favorite season of the year isn't spring, it's actually fall. But I think if I had to choose a second, I would probably say that spring is a second for me. Winter and summer are not my favorites, especially summer. It gets really hot here where I live in the summer, so I really don't look forward to the summertime all that much, although I'm sure that up north, summer actually feels relatively nice. But here in Texas, it is hot. Okay, so I just finished putting down my days of the week stickers, so we're good with that. Now let's see, we're gonna go over to this side here, and I am going to white out these sections since this is my social media planner. I don't use these sections this way. I have my own sections. So I'm gonna go ahead and white this out. Hope you guys are doing well this week. I have a couple of things going on, but I'll go ahead and notate those things in my classic vertical, so stay tuned for that video. But this is all social media planning, and I do have a couple of things going on, so gotta notate those. I am looking for my header stickers. I'm sure you guys are telling me you had them in that first page, which I didn't realize till now. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add our headers here. Now this is going to be peeking out a little bit and it would bother me, so I'm just going to white that out now that I'm thinking about it. Okay. I am a little sad this week because this is actually going to be my last week on the design team for Steph's Design Space. It was a wonderful team to be a part of, and I feel like I made some really good friendships in being part of that team, and Steph, the shop owner, is wonderful. So I do want to give a shout out to all my design team members and to Steph. If you guys are watching, you guys have been great, and I know that the team that's coming up is going to do extremely well, and I wish the shop nothing but success. And let's see here. As a matter of fact, before I forget, this purple orchid kit was picked for us to do a collab for Steph's design space. So everyone on the team is going to be using this kit in a way that works best for them in their planners. So I'll go ahead and link their information down below so you guys can check out how they use these sticker sheets. So I can't wait to see how they do with their spreads. Let's see here. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with this washi. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is this right over here. And I do need to cut that. Let's see, I got all my tools here. All right, I'll put this on my hand for now. And before I forget what my idea is, that's kind of why I'm trying to go a little quicker. So I'm thinking something like this. But not all the way across right there, just to here. And then this one will go over here. Change it up. Okay, and then cut it right over here. There we go. And then I'm going to use the other thick washi at the top there. Turn this page around and do a little something like this. I think I did something like this with my other Steph's Design space kit, but I love all the pieces that come along with it, so I do want to use them in a functional way that works for me. So if I find a way that works for me, I want to go ahead and keep that. Let's see, I'm liking how this looks so far. Of course, I'm going to add some deco, but for right now, I think that's good. All right, so we're going to bring this page over. Let me move this over so you guys can see what I'm doing here. I will need the functional pages, so I'll put these to the side. I will be using them in a bit. All right, so I've got some things to post on social media, on Instagram on Wednesday, Thursday for sure. I'm gonna get these big boxes for that. It says here. I think I did that the last time, I'm not sure. Okay, put this here. So if I put this one here, I can put the other big one under Wednesday right here. Okay. And then I need the smaller ones. And I'm going to use the decorative ones with the florals. One will be for Tuesday. And then the other for Friday. Okay, I think that's it for that for right now. Now to bring in the deco. Gonna bring in this corner piece here. Hopefully it'll cover all of the days of the week, which it does, yay. Okay, there's that. And then maybe this, I know it's like torn paper and then a floral. Let's see, let's just see what happens, see what it looks like. Oh, that looks pretty. Let me see here. So now I have one corner piece left, and I don't know if I would want to put it, where would I want to put it? I kind of feel like I want to put this floral down at the bottom on Sunday. I don't know how much space it's gonna take. That's kind of what I'm worried about, but maybe I can do a smaller torn piece down there. Let me see what this looks like. Huh. Maybe the one that's facing the other side. Oh, I got lots of sticky on my hand. Okay, let's see, maybe here. Okay, that's pretty good. Maybe do the other one here. All right. As far as for the weekend, I can add some of these. Okay. And then another one for Sunday. And then for Monday, since I have the one that's left here. Okay. Now, I want to use more of this deco, so I think I have to come to this side to do that. All right, so I think since the other floral is over here, oops, since it's over here, it makes sense to put this other one on the opposite end of the bottom. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, and then this bird, if I don't use this bird, I'm gonna be so sad. So this bird wants to get some of the nectar from the flower here. Okay, let's see. Oh, and before I forget, because I wanna see how much room I'm gonna have, I'm gonna bring in my Steph's Design Space YouTube analytics and Instagram analytics, which are also available in the shop. And I'm going to go ahead and put these down so I know what space I have to work with. So that was my YouTube analytics. And then I'm also going to add a Instagram analytics. Okay, and get these to the side. That way I know how much room I have left to decorate. Okay, so and then I'm gonna take this and put it across over here because I want to use it. I know it's gonna take up a lot of space right here, but I am okay with that. Let's see. Totally worth it. I still have, let's see, 5 to do, so I'm okay with that. Now let's see. I'm gonna get the purple. Actually, this one's already kind of curved. So let's take this one and it can go over here. All right, and I think the left side is done. Now I'm just gonna try to work on the right side because I feel like the left side is very decorative, but this one isn't as decorative and I want it to look cute too. So let's see. So we're gonna take this floral here and then this little bird is going to go here. Oh, so cute. Okay, and then that's stunning. I love it. Steph, if you're watching, you did an awesome job with this kit. I'm like in love. Okay, and then See, I don't want to overdo it. But when the stickers are so cute, what do you do, right? Maybe here, is this like overkill? Are y'all like saying just stop while you're ahead? That's kind of what I feel, but you know what? I love these stickers. Okay. It looks good. It's been looking good. Let me see. I could add a little bit of washi. And you know what? I think that I am. Okay. Okay, I absolutely love this spread. And I still have lots of stickers left. I did buy extra of the deco sheet, so I have lots of the functionals left. But I believe that with that, that concludes this classic dashboard plan with me. Thank you so much for spending some of your time with me while I went ahead and planned out my social media for the week. I hope you guys click the like, subscribe, and notification button so you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I can't wait to see you guys all in the next one. Bye.